Hi guys, this is Emily, and today I want to show you how to do lamination. You know, before lamination, the bags is in single layers, and after printing is also in single layers. So you can see, this is a single layer for the middle foil layer. And first, it needs to be covered with the glue. I will show you. Here, you can see here is the glue. And first, the layer will be covered full glues. And then it will go through the file warmer box. I will show you, follow me. Here you can see, these are the temperature control for the file warmer controls. And you can see, we can control and change the temperature to make the glue dry enough. And finally, when the glue is dry enough, it will be meet another layer here. Here is the printing layer. You can see it is printed. And they meet each other and the glue is dry enough. Let me show you how it looks like. Here, you can see actually the underside is the printing layer and the upper side is the foil layer. Finally, they are laminated. You can see the effect. Okay, that's all for lamination, and let's go back to the lab room.